Hello and welcome once again to Moorgate Andrology. In today's video we're going to talk about penis extenders. Are penis extenders noticeable? Can you wear them in your normal daily activity? Well, penis extenders come in various forms. There are some that come with a belt that you wrap around the middle that bends the penis to one side and puts it in a slight traction. It's possible that you could wear those during the day, provided that you're wearing fairly loose-fitting trousers or perhaps jogging bottoms. But for example, in tight jeans, it could be difficult to wear at all. The other type of penile extender device comes with traction rods, and I think they will be nigh on impossible to wear under normal clothing. So most guys tend to wear a penis extender when they get home from work. They can put it on while they're watching some TV and in complete privacy, and leave it on for about 1 to 2 hours. And that's about the average duration that guys tend to wear the extenders. You can build up the use, of course, over time. And I have known some patients leave it on overnight, which you could do. But perhaps it's not recommended at first. Start gradually and building up. But a penis traction device is something that really you would use at home. I think it would be too bulky and noticeable to wear in the day, for example, in an office. So if you're going to buy a penis traction device, a penis extender, then be prepared to set some time aside, usually in the evenings when you get home from work, to be able to put the extender on and leave it. One last thing is that when you put the penis traction device on, it should not be painful, because if it's painful and you put the penis under too much traction, you can do more damage than good, and obviously we don't want to end up damaging the penis. So just make sure it's only in a slight traction. You'll feel a slight pull on the penis, but it should be no more than that. And of course, make sure that you use it consistently for at least 9 months before you see any results. So there you go. If you're going to buy a penis extender, make sure you're able to set aside some time at home each evening to put it on and let it do its work. Well, that's all from me today. I look forward to seeing you back here at Moorgate Andrology very soon. But until then, bye for now.